Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper section. Let's tap on it. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so live wallpapers, which are animated ones, and Google Photos, which is basically our own gallery, and wallpaper and style, where we've got pre-installed regular wallpapers. So let me enter this section and simply tap on change wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got another section with another album, so again my photos and on-device wallpapers, so those which are pre-installed. And after tapping on it, you can check all other options. Simply tap on the option to check the preview of it. As you can see, you will be able to see how it looks like. So let's simply tap on it. You can check how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen with the icons applied. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, right lower corner, sorry. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen or home and lock screen, so I will choose this both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.